Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is PJ. Just make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. That way you'll be notified of each and every video that I put up. And I hope you enjoy this one. So today I wanted to show you some die cracks. This is a 1981 20-cent coin, and this one's got a nice die crack on it. It's on the other side, which I'll show you right there. Now, it's not the easiest thing to see, but I'll try and get the light right, and but you can see a crack right there. It's heading up straight up there. Now if I grab, hopefully this will work and we can zoom in a little bit. I'll just see how we go there. Alright, so there you can see that it's actually a crack. Now it's not just someone's tried to cut the coin or anything like that. It's actually sitting up, and so what's happened there is that when the die was pressing the coin out, at some stage formed a crack in the die, and that crack in the die was then pushed into the planchet of the coin, therefore causing a little bit of the metal of the coin to push up into that crack, leaving an impression of the crack on the coin. So that's a fairly nice one there, and I don't think I've seen any other examples of this particular die crack, but keep an eye out, guys. There's some very nice looking fine die cracks on some coins, but certainly worth finding, worth collecting, and yeah, that's a 1981 right there. So the other one I want to show you today is a more recent coin, and I know you probably see it straight off, but you can see there's a crack up here, and this is a 2014 10-cent coin. I'll try and hold it right there. 2014. Okay, so you can see the die crack there, same as what I mentioned a few moments ago, how this was formed. But you can see that there from the top of the 10 right out to the edge there, and yeah, so these are very, very collectible, and certainly worth noodling and looking for. Make sure you know exactly what your coin's meant to look like, and as you're flicking through you'll get faster, but you'll pick up things like that are out of the norm and look a little bit unusual, and certainly very collectible and worth keeping. So I hope you've enjoyed this, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and please hit the bell as well, and you'll get notified each and every time. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.